Hi everyone, a very good morning. My name is Ajay Ramasubramaniam. I am the co-founder and CEO of Startup Rezo, the team behind the Mumbai AI Summit. I also have backstage with me Shweta Tiwari, co-founder and COO of Startup Rezo, and Jagruti Bista, who is the project lead of the Mumbai AI Summit. You'll hear from both of them later in the day. I've done this several times, but a little bit nervous doing it for the first time as a unique experience hosting a technology summit by using technology. Firstly, I'd like to thank our sponsors and partners, which include Startup India, Invest in Denmark, Blaze Clan, there's Royal Bank of Canada, Rockmetric, Research Fox, Avaz.com, and lastly, but most importantly, Airmeet, without whom we would not have been able to put this together. So, how did we get here? Let us consider and look at some statistics. According to a study conducted by McKinsey Global Institute, it is predicted that by 2030, 70% of the companies globally might have adopted at least one type of artificial intelligence technology at scale. Quoting from a PwC report, AI is expected to contribute US dollars 15.7 trillion, which is 14% of the global GDP by 2030, thereby making AI one of the single largest or biggest commercial opportunity in today's fast-paced world. Likewise, quoting from the UNDP website, there are close to 200 or more cases of AI's actual potential use cases for non-commercial benefits of the society, with a considerable potential for computer vision, natural language processing, deep learning, and other AI capabilities to make a very sizable difference to the society at large. So on one hand, we have stats like these, and on the other, we have heard several times from business leaders and heads of state comments or statements such as, "This is the year of AI. AI will not cut jobs; it will only create different ones," and so on. The word Rezo in Startup Rezo means ecosystem or a network. And we see ourselves as a company, as a builder of platforms like these that bring together diverse set of stakeholders together and creating more of a dialogue making and enabling platform. With so much being spoken about AI, we really wanted to dig deep and bring together different stakeholders like yourselves who are involved in AI, India's AI story, to discuss, deliberate, and answer the question, where do we stand and where are we headed? Over the course of today and next Thursday, 30th of April, you will hear from several industry leaders, researchers, technology founders, evangelists coming together to share their perspectives and give us their views on what's next in India's AI growth story and how do they envisage changes being brought about by the further evolution of the technology. These 2 days are going to be heavy on content coming in from our speakers, but we also have tried to dabble around a little bit with the format as it would be in case of an offline event. So we have 10 really disruptive AI first startups that will be pitching today and next week. We are releasing the India AI Landscape Report, which captures India's top 50 AI startups, the leading investments in the space, our Edge framework analysis, which basically classifies or demystifies AI into 4 different quadrants: experimental, disruptive, game changing, and emerging. We also have a feature on India's top 20 AI influencers. So before I wrap up and hand it over back to our MC and host Santosh from Airmeet, I'd like to make a special mention of 3 people from the team, Anumeha, Kanish, and Raminder, whom many of you would have heard from over emails or phone calls, who have put in a lot of efforts to make it possible for us to be hosting the summit today. With that, I'd like to take leave. Thank you and have a great time at our virtual summit. Over to you, Santosh.
Yeah, hi. Thank you, everyone. Welcome to AMate. It's a new platform. So I'm here to give you a quick tips and tricks out here. So I can see there's some, not able to hear, and so kindly refresh your page. And then if you can do that one, I think it will be good. If not, definitely a technical support will be addressing you at the chat itself. So let's go to the next session. So here's how it actually works. As soon as we end first session, right, there'll be a gap of about the transition time is about 2 to 3 minutes where we get the other speakers on stage. Okay. Meanwhile, the networking tables will be open. That is social launch. You can actually go there, interact with the other members, and by the time the session is going to start, you're going to get a countdown at the screen at the bottom of the screen. So that means the next session is about to start, so that there's no abruptly putting you on mute completely. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day. And then please use your laptop and Google Chrome for best experience of AirMeet. Thank you so much, Ajay. We're going to be back with the keynote speaker. Please hang on.